What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu, the overall cryptocurrency market, and why I am so excited for the month of October, November, and December. Remember, guys, that I am not a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. And of course, Shiba Inu being my one of the biggest holdings that I have in my portfolio, extremely bullish on what is about to happen for the overall market. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back in time, because a lot of people are focused on the 1 hour chart, the 4 hour chart, the daily chart. But what we need to look at, go back and look at the month, the 3 month, the 6 month, the 1 year. So we're going to go back in time and look what Bitcoin has done in previous bull cycles during the months of October, November, and December leading up to January. Because I'm in all anticipation, I feel like the overall cryptocurrency market is about to really exceed all expectations for anybody out there. But of course, when it comes to Shiba Inu, you guys saw we pulled all the way down to 690 Satoshi units, but are recovering quite nicely. But again, right around our consolidation mark, awaiting those catalysts to come about. So one thing I want you guys to keep paying attention to is the number of people that have Shiba Inu on their watch list. Over 1,128,000 individuals currently have Shiba Inu on their watch list, waiting to pounce as soon as they find the opportunity to buy in. If that's a news catalyst that they're waiting, like a Robinhood listing or the L2 drop for Shibarium and having our own blockchain, there's a lot of different reasons and a lot of things that people are waiting for. We don't know what that is. Everyone has their own motives and motivation to get into a crypto asset. But for most people, I think they're just waiting for the overall market to recover, and that's when they're going to start stepping in. So currently sitting at 710 Satoshis, quite boring, not much excitement, but pay attention to the people on the watch list, folk. Make sure you guys pay attention to that, folks. I think that's something that we should not overlook, because again, I think that's a statistic that we need to keep into account moving forward. Now, in addition, shout out to Milkshake, always giving us updates. Currently 670,000 Shiba Inu holders holding their tokens. People right now aren't increasing their bags because of consolidation. They do so when they see significant dips or significant run-ups. But throughout consolidation, we don't see even the typical holders, the diamond-handed investors, if you will, increasing their positions. And most of them right now are just waiting for the catalyst to come about. So, what am I anticipating for October, November, December? First and foremost, Robinhood. You guys know, with 190,000 signatures on the petition on change.org, the game is going to change completely when Robinhood lists SHIB on their platform. We know the rallies that the retail investors go on. They're shifting over to the crypto market. Things are starting to die out in the stock market again, and a lot of excitement is coming back into the cryptocurrency market, which is going to shift everything completely, going back to overall all-time highs and beyond. That 100,000 Bitcoin price target that I have is still hopefully going to be seen by the end of the year. Shiba Inu returning to all-time highs, which means a 5x or more, 500% return on your investment from here on out. And exceeding Doge coins, market cap, truly I think is going to happen regardless of what people think. I also want to mention a couple other things before we dive in even more, and that is the link in the description below for Webull. You guys know, SHIB Army, I always try to put you guys on any play that I'm in. Webull has done nothing but shown support, love, and positivity for our favorite crypto asset, Shiba Inu. So the least we can do to support ourselves, first and foremost, right? The most important thing is everybody's got to eat. Everybody's got to eat. And Webull, of course, offers 2 free stocks when you deposit 1 cent into your Webull brokerage account. That's something that they offered for me as a Shiba Inu content creator, as a special offer, basically. If you go on any other stock investor's website or their YouTube channel, you're going to see there's a $100 deposit requirement. But for the SHIB Army, they want to give you the same opportunities to get free stocks by depositing only a penny. And the ability to trade Shiba Inu is now live on Webull. So we got to show them why the SHIB Army is the best community. Go ahead, go on Webull, sell the stocks they give you, and buy SHIB with it if you'd like. That's one way that we could show them that we are standing them in solidarity because of the fact that they listed our favorite asset. And also, if you want to book a call to talk about anything, collaborations, Shiba Inu, how to buy or sell, I've had a few calls already, and we've had some fruitful conversations. I've met some fantastic people, and I want to meet you. So book a call, and let's spend some time, about half an hour, video, one-on-one, talking about whatever it is that you want to talk about. Even if you want to ask me questions, feel free to do so in the link below. Now, let's continue. And one other thing, actually, a lot of you have been asking me, Pop, I want to get into YouTube. And of course, I mentioned, guys, get a microphone, get the camera. All the links are in the description. Full transparency on the things that I use for my channel. Now, Lark Davis, you guys know I'm a huge fan after Stephen B put me on, and you guys see the update on the fear and greed index. There's a lot of extreme fear in the market right now. Lots of extreme fear, meaning that weak paper hands are going to sell out of their position. But one thing that you got to know, as he states here, scared money don't make money. Make sure you guys have that mentality. Scared money don't make money. It's very difficult for people to actually make significant gains in their portfolio if they are unable or unwilling to buy the dip. When the market is fearful and prices are on discount, that's the best time to buy. Not when the overall market is flying. That's not the best time to buy, because those are the individuals that get burned the worst. And Market Psychology 101 tells us that it's so difficult to invest when the market is going down, because you're like, well, when's it going to bottom out? But when it's going up, we don't have that thinking cap or that light bulb that comes in our head. Hey, when's this thing going to peak before a correction? The answer is we never know. But it's so much easier for some reason. That's how the brain works and how we're wired, to buy in a green market instead of a red. Just like the housing market. Look what's happening right now. People are buying houses at a premium everywhere. But when things were on discount, nobody was buying properties, which is absolutely ridiculous. Again, don't be fooled, folks. Do your own research. Always, always, always think like an investor. We got to outperform and outpace all these other folks. Now, let's go back in time. A quick history lesson, if you will. Bitcoin back in 2017, before the magnificent rally that was seen in October, Bitcoin was sitting right around $4,376. Bitcoin today is at 42,854. Interesting. Okay. We saw the sell-off. Following that, all the way down during the month of September of 2017 to $3,154, folks. $3,154. All the way till pretty much mid-September. We saw a decent recovery back to the 4,000s, a tenth of where Bitcoin's price is now. But in the month of October, look what happened. Momentum shifted. 5,600, $6,000 Bitcoin. Going into November, $7,000. Again, a little bit of correction. $8,000 Bitcoin, $9,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 Bitcoin. All between the months of October, November, and December. You're a pop. What if that was just in 2017? Well, wait a second. Wait just a dang second. Let's go back to 2013, when we saw one of the biggest bull runs in the market. Back in 2013, Bitcoin was at $131 in May, had a slight sell-off, consolidation, nothing too exciting. But again, during the month of September 2013, going into October, what in the world happened? $140 Bitcoin, $200 Bitcoin, $300, $400, $500, $700, $1,000. $1,000 Bitcoin going through the end of 2013 all the way into 2014. Guys, cycles oftentimes mirror one another. Obviously, in 2021, we've seen an insanely bullish cycle for the overall crypto market and Bitcoin leading the way. But based off previous patterns, that's the one thing that anybody can show you and anybody can tell you, is look back in time, historically speaking, to identify what might happen in the future. Well, you never know. I don't have a crystal ball to let you guys know. But if that's what Bitcoin did, and the overall market follows Bitcoin very closely, what will Shiba Inu do? What will Saitama do? What will our favorite crypto assets do in the market? When they say it's still early to get into the crypto assets and the cryptocurrency market, I believe it. And that's why you guys know I've been increasing my bag every single day. So, to the SHIB Army and to anybody else that's watching these videos, I want you to understand and always look back at my videos as timestamps. They're timestamps to let everyone know what I'm doing. But again, as someone that is a novice investor, I'm still new to the space and I'm learning each and every day. And you're here to learn with me. The best thing that I can tell you is I like looking at previous patterns, and that's when I decide to buy or sell a crypto asset. It's been a lot of buying lately because I know what to expect the next month. Look what's going to happen by Halloween. Watch what happens by Thanksgiving when you're sitting around at dinner table, letting the family members know. I wish I could just show you what I've done for myself in 2021. And then going into the Christmas holiday time and New Year, oh man, I'm super excited for what the future has in store. Appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. Much love. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you stayed into the video till the end of the video, make sure you let me know down below. I want to know those of you who watch to the end. Maybe I'll do something special for one of you. But thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, SHIB Army. SHIB Army, SHIB Army, my favorite family and community. Keep investing. Peace.